Hello, welcome to Cesim Global Challenge 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips for round 1. The first winning tip is we check the financial statement before we set decision for any rounds. I show you the detail now. Check the financial statement. Remember to check that before we start decision for any rounds. I show you. So you will see the financial statement here, the result tab to financial statement, and you see the companies here. For example, in this example, you see 6 companies, and you see here the sales, and also you see the R&D cost and also promotion cost. This is very important, 2 costs for the rounds, R&D and then you see the profit for the rounds. So this is very important, 3 numbers we need to check before we set decision for any round. Remember, this is the first step. You will check the other video for the top 10 tips to win CESIM. If you have any question, you send the email to cesimhealth2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.